This sat here costs $500, and this is something that we need to discuss. So let's get into the matter now. One may be curious to know what this sat contains in order to be bought at $500. Let's pause about this sat now to brief you about what is happening in Seattle currently. The members of the United Democratic Party, UDP, gathered in Seattle over the weekend, where the party raised an amount of $111,000, which is equivalent to $8.1 million. And the fundraising is part of UDP's preparation to take part in 2026 presidential election. And the people in attendance were UDP's party leader, Honorable Lawyer Usainu Dabo, Landing B. Sane of Mansakonko Area Council, Mayor Bensouda of KMC, Ibrahim Adiba, and others. And here is the entrance of UDP's party leader, Dabo, at the gathering in Seattle. Back to the $500 T-shirt. Looking at the shirt, it contains the picture of UDP late members. And as written on top, UDP fallen heroes. Below continues to say, your sacrifice will never be forgotten. And the shirt was signed by UDP party leader Dabo, as we can see signatures on the shirt. The businesswoman on the screen, Joma Kamara, was the one who bought this shirt for $500, which is equivalent to 36,500 Gambian dollars. So that was the summary of all what you need to know about the $500 T-shirt.
Assalamu alaikum. Badingolu. Mbe mo be kontonna. Bi tenelungo the 4th of August 2025. Until Lajang almost 5 minutes to 4. Alama alayembe so Kairola Simaya bani jata kende alama alaya dambe nanata kol mu minti alama alayo fanan dambe kila hormoto mbe mo be kontona al tola nal kontonla momo be jubero la jang ani melbina nyim programme o jubela programme o nying dalilo mi yem fintindina wala mu pour kanaka tenturo futandi Gambia dinguluma birin Gambia banko kan fokata Gambia e bantala bi mbese worim baake bare miro fanan jamfata dalilo mi yatina miro jamfata ni kacha kumasta albe wollon nale inshallah rabbi. Yes brother Alaji, ala baraka bake. Yo bi mbenga jele on the 3rd of August, United Democratic Party a convention bake in the city of Seattle, Washington in USA. Gambia Dingulu, they flew from everywhere in the world. They flew everywhere in the world, from Africa, Europe, America, in Ata Bengonyinto in Seattle under the leadership of Sedi Cisse. But follow. And say, Dua Bake UDP la fallen hero solier. UDP la fallen hero solu. And say, Due nge remember na salolu kono, na kachalu kono, na badiyal kono, and say remember Bake. And say, Dua na patiola alfalu fanalu minuli alonko ibe baluring ibe mfe ibe tetela ibe nyato ibe yamarla nse duwe Bake under the leadership of His Excellency Honorable Ousainou A.N.M. Darboe. Kaji Council of Elders Kang under the leadership of Ba Ansou Sonko. Under the leadership of Ba Ansou Sonko, nse duwe Bake. Nse duana mbama nyolye, minketa ajiyam seka, ajiyam ndauge yabo, ajisukaina ka, mba Adam Bawolu, His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe la musufulolu fanal fangolu. Nse dua Bake Yakumba Jete wolye, ngadua Binta Touré wolye, ngadua Binta Senghor wolye, ngadua UDP la momo sibo janke wolu, mbari muso awatambedu wolu. Nse duwe Bake na UDP muso lo mamilu tofu fango mbal telema. Why? UDP is party of the people. Dalila Jumala atina. Sisla, ela force comment ngal na avec la minti nak. Ela force comment. Ngalo na avec la minti. Yalo ni Manchester je ka terrify le. Imagine. Ngalo ni Manchester je ka terrify le. Bawzen be Manchester le Sisla. Wala na tombon sedi mbadi mba sambala na kota dek ibadu ro party leader is Manchester. So mamilu tofo UDP kono mbal telephone konton kan alse katu nak kolle ben. United Democratic Party a formta mbenyin karo min kono 1996 sambi UDP by la bad day sort la koteke inshallah alama embe tara baluri biri UDP formta. There was no sponsor. All milia form. Gelo mu ikumasta ka kodo la nyoka. Yaje Gambia ntelu mbilifta minna. Wala atina nin wuluta na alfalu ikankuli yen samba sunnolto yen bulolu safe yen samba karambungolu to wala daralu to pour kankarandi fanam pour nga kulongoke. So pour mil malong nse londala yalo ni ni mi bolon konoke nimi ye bolon kono ke kaje e kamolu samba nun jujuoto do bolon kono kol ba fala wa nato e kamolu samba jujuoto wa nato bar modolu hani tata o jujoni wa nato ila kulomo buka wara baake alsi hekatu baake lamin jaybe o molle kono lamin jay bar mina lamin jay la koto bar folo mbedduna UDP la tarkendin kono tarkendin doro camera for storm la kelma ale ka dun tel la jang kabrin kunun suto e camera storm wala be keri malum fo sis la England fana be wala nyama ba fonyo sembo war njambak so bare mbeddu na UDP la tarkan dinne kono drom bawo birin alpha le UDP form e man sponsor soto in fact biribe UDP form la doliye la mol kumandi la koy kana mabe because famfala lo muiti ya itandiko nal mabe ta nyinto nyin sojarol milbe mararola isal be soron wala yal be fa doliye la molu widrondi UDP be form la 1996 His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe was not in present. By then, he was the Vice President, Gambia Olympic Association on Yinkono. He was in Atlanta. UDP mo jamale approach nous pour que leadership di la bari molma allow iman song. Because of the fear. Amanke ko mambanko kanu de bari silata eniola. We sacrifice who? His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe. Ya contact. He was outside. Anata itandiko mbe mbatu ninata nganna mol consult. A consultation okay. A very touching story famofo. Ako bira nata abitala pour kala mol ka consultation okay ana badingulu. Moya approach jara soma ako hani biya bu kanyina wala wonata kay ko telom Ousainou Darboe da kay kana molu jamfa and saying this word is in his head kay kana molu jamfa ako je famoto amang futala mol la ka consultation o ke bar je famoto ate fango damala consent ala mind made because of that man la approach mbafala baw sene abaraka baki so biriya UDP form iko sign tapan sodu bar jumal ya form because ye PPP ban ne ye NCP ban ye GPP ban PPP was His Excellency Sir Dawda Kairaba Jawara. NCP was His Excellency Sirif Mustafa Diba. GPP was His Excellency Andrews Kamara, Hassan Musa Kamara. B. Nilul Mantra Baluri. Nilul Mantra Baluri. Alnga duwe nemo nin kafarola. So bring a patio form. Code table. Nothing absolutely. E ko bar patio bukatano fengo koma for the start. E kumasta ke la kodo landi basoka. Nimi e Dallas tango sota landi basoka. Nimi e kemo sota landi basoka. Nimi e wulikilin sota landi basoka. Thank you. Mr. Michael Jatta, we are not concerned whether URR has 1 million voters or they don't have 1 million voters. URR is part of Gambia. UDP Mobukela tax dealer. They have no business how they get their money. Is the citizens who want to salvage the country. To salvage the country. Let the people of URR join UDP to salvage the country. Niamo ebe salo fankela no jama to Cairo le Bangkoka. Yalo ye asafele nunga lai, but you are becoming too much. As if you are trying Kamoli intimidate because of Barrow is from URR, so UDP be kodole use la URR kang to get the people of URR. Altel be bata amin kono je jumala be okono. You people are swimming inside Allah Silol Beketa Rivati. So, Niamo ebe Salla, Cairo lebe Bangkoka. Obviously, Niamo ebe Salla, Cairo lebe Bangkoka. Yala aliya mira ko dino muminta, alman dino long. Alman dino long freng. Ali alfam keko, momo e wuli. Ntelenga moli je janne, ikata kombo, ika jama la planol muta. Jama planol, akatare bulo kono. Ikoy kata jamal lol lela ikoy kata ikata misiru lol lela ikoy kata karambul lol la yarta fake lom. URR should join the people of Gambia to rescue Gambia. It doesn't matter. Hani yarta sadamu sadality. Jamao is a blessing. It's a house of blessing. Bari alay kuma dantane fode yalo niman dino loy malo ala ko ni domoro lota konko bela salwato sita koy domoro ke follow. You know that? Akoni salwato sita domoro lota konko bela domoro. So purisalo wanyama nita malo. And ito fango e ka spell nyami intel Gambia intel buka Jatta spell thing. In Gambia we don't spell Jatta like this. Ha, until buka Jatta spell in Gambia like this. Malum foi mu Senegalese Gambian ultiba I don't understand because yes ate o min fam fo jay ko malum sutukunding malo be damim fo kantoralom fo wulilom fo muntolom. But the people of Basse, we remember you, we cherish you, we celebrate you people. So if you want a better Gambia, isaje Cairo etra jamaoto momo tata jamaoto yes sali fo salo wato mindiate yela wato bekeje ye dua Cairo le kawo sabuna Kairate Gambia. So let the people of Basse join Gambia to rescue Gambia. Okay, Mr. Jatta. Thank you very much. Aparaka. Seri Pabo nge kontom bake, tida nge kontom Sister Jare sana nge kontom bake. Okay. UDP is sita. Ba Amadou Sane ala kodo bonda ya landi. Ba Alaji Modou Sane ala kodo bonda ya landi. Ba Lamin Dambondi ba ala kodo bonda ya landi. Aji am Seka ala kodo bonda ya landi. Aji am Ndaw Yabo ala kodo bonda ya landi. Baso Kang. Bangan Sunding Ketawol. Ba Job Kantewol. Aja Jambandi wolu desan. Allahu Akbar. Ndefan Obama Sadio Kunjan Sane wolu. Abu Karamba wolu. Yela na fulo bondi. Domandingo mimbe bulu. Yalandi. Yanin albaraka ke. Iko mbe nyim min bondi la mbake la nyim patiyo la koto. Alama nyim patiyo barakala. iko alama nyim pati o baraka Alaji e ba Jallo Sane wolu. Thank you very much Nkoroma Lamental. May their souls rest in perfect peace. Minule alonko de baluringa. Baraka bake Aja Fati. Yela kodolu landi. Comme momi yalonka manta juju oto de mbe pour ka wole hakilo bulandi Lamin Ndiaye. Pour danko dron ese history lon doman din munamu UDP bari wo kono businessman wol sotota minuli ya lonko ima hani ka finti ibe maborin ila fita silan kanaka dende UDP la kela manna fulo dundi UDP kunto UDP koy hani nalbe nafulu dundi la UDP kunta be Sénégal pour Lamin Ndiaye bawete manta kasewto yaje alsi hakadude because Lamin Ndiaye ila ko be tambikan we know ko say you are in America go and work on your asylum tell asylum procedures ke because haniyat 5 years visa lo soto America you are entitled to stay for 6 months and go out yes you can come back but you need to go out ni overstate America forget it let me tell you that yes Ntelibe ni visa le nata tubabudu birin nata expire we seek asylum. Yes, go and seek your asylum. Make your asylum procedures. So birin kebal ko ngani kodo na fulo min lande alama nyim patio barakala alama wo mari dingol mil botantel bala yen keta nyim patio to Allahu akbar bi Umar Fati le Aja Fati le Jare Sane le Tida Mintele Nte Musa Sedi le Sisla Jadama le Sana Jaju le Yankuba Dabo le Talib Bensouda le Roy Malik Lo le Landin Sane le ñil bela alfal benu UDP le Abubakar Sidiki Jamme le Pata PJ le Mboj Sedi Kan le Bob Touré le Mafode Cham le Aminata Ba le ñil bela alfal benu UDP le ñilla alfal biri pareta bungo kono ye duake pareta e fintita molkan ye kruo ki alfal ye sate kono banko beka e ko de ha nga patiyole lo bari Jawara la duño beje konse patiyo ñillo na ñaton ko ala natan dema mbenta ka loya dabole tambindi bara man banko kan bare biringa kumo futandi sa Dawda Kairaba Jawarama in fact amandan ka foko sign normalie mo tombo bara ko alta noma kana kanalla anata letaro le lawo ka hadi oje jallala oje rafo de ntema wol letaro je bar oje wolef Jumalo Ousainou Daboti is a barrister, is a solicitor, a constitutional lawyer. A former Solicitor General during Jawara's time, and he resigned. He resigned. R-E-S-I-G-N-E-D. He resigned. Why? Because he said there was a lot of corruption in that government. Jawara, you are a good man, but there is a lot of corruption in the government. Lawyer Dabo ako ate do ko kenola wo nyama. Chamam believe corruption ola. So biri bota o meeting odo ye kuroki banko bekan. Kaitandi banko dingol la. Kaitandi lalumol la. Kaitandi majlisol la. Kata sirif kundalto. Kadum banku ding kendolu kan. Imanjutu kafoko karimu murun teoleti ifutata murun teolu malaka bunya foye ala ye mo milialon kay lanjuro le kan ala ma bondika ifutata fuaro luma ima jube ko itela bungo kono basole bije ifutata fuaro luma ko bari alingan ke ku fankamal tode katum la fita nyimu fuaro la patiole ti banku dimul la patiolo mu ni fankamalu nate laftela nafulo dunaje laftala nyamin telu lafta ntel lafta silo minna askeno tel mala fo silo la isentel samba sila doka ko hani ni momo be la kodo dundila je mu businessman o lafta la senea munati ne be kodo dundi kanja la ko ko je inata futa marché wol biri ya fo mbamali dolu be panketu wa fol dolu ye kanjolu landi dolu ne tuwolu landi yela kufo fonko nafa nafa ya yele dole yela fan couple fring because ka kodo ke wolto ya city dalasi lulu dalasi kaytolu dol fanka woledi dalasi kaytolu dol ka woledi 10 dalasi nimi ye 10 dalasi o di famo ikete jubele ko nyi ko di bale di jam 10 dalasi. This is how UDP registered their party. Lamin Jai, mbe sindi la baso kan ngemurundi kasewoto. Pour que sindi wanato kantarlali na ye kulongo foye. Ite tulu na nyinke balade. You insulted our people yesterday. Yaje ila alfa kendo letin telte wolu nenna. Ye Gambia je momo benyim punchum panchamala abuta alfa kendo bala. Wala nante alfal mu nogo area la tin te kuma fola wol bari ta mum fulawol ti dol sege sike no dol do ma di dole ke kototi so mbaytan le la ko ni te birita tata ni te manta jujuoto mbe murund la nan jujuoto le la mi nin jaay ha mbe murund la nan jujuoto le. So this is a culture in UDP, just a brief history of UDP pour ka wo foye how UDP is up to today. We are not the richest political party in the Gambia, but we are the most moral party in the whole West Africa. Purka for Edro. Morality is in that party. Munabe Jarela Aminata Baye to pay a flight of less than $800. Or even more than $800. She flew over how many hours to the Seattle, Washington? Purkata fundraising. You want to downplay that? Munabe Jarela Mbarim so mimbota France. Ani mimbota Switzerland. Ani mimbota na Africa. Milufawol be America J. They are working to put food on the table. Doliela awasol le cancel wolum. They said, let's go and salvage our country. Let's put what our fathers and mothers tell us to do. Birinte bama ka dalasi lulo landi. Do bama ka dalasi tango landi. Do bama ka dalaso landi. Ye muy yamaro min dintel la wolo nyintiko political party ona nga tonyale jeje nga sobe yale jeje nga ni tenkungole jeje nga bankola kanoni bankola nyato tale jeje altel mil mun dingoti laftali ya bula nyi lunoma ngoy bismillah ntalla kango sosola barali aliya kumo folo min alko tonya kan ngoy bismillah ntalla kumo sosola ndel fanal nyaay na men wo politiko kono ngani alpha kallanke wala je nyaato ngani alpha kallanke wala je nyaato ni alpha sobe wolu ndella alpha li mim fo nyenna kuoto nata fenje je fangete le mintu koma je nkonga bula wolu noma be kuo kuto mbe woleto iman nantel tuje nse kulombali ya kuo bekela alse kadude nse kulombali ya kuo bekela iben tetela ibe yamarla ibe kuma kendo be fola molem tulo ba moy la UDP dingule wuli iko nga min taram falu nga min taram balla mbe wolle jo seyla yela kodolu la nyoka ye minke in America minke the father of the night is my biological uncle Ansu Sonko na biological uncle la manke unextended today mbasi mane alkanyi mbasi mane minje UDP mbasi mane mbambasi ndel ka fayla mbambasi ndo malum abuluba hawa sonko mbalum abe maberi mbemo nyindu abiye. So the father of the night had made me a proud nephew and a UDPian. Ansu Sonko. Not biological uncle. Nteleka atahi manu. My father is a very good friend no. My Muna Fati of my father is a patito on this sister. Nyade no bo GD ni GMC. My father is a good friend of my uncle. What do you want to attack him? Yes, Byro. So Ntela Alpha Letata J. They make me proud. You know how many people Minulia Lonko Itata Nyindulato. Let's say Sariam Marom. Saria UDP Ketale. Fatoumata Jomma Kamara. Ay UDP Ketale. But ikafengo Ketale ni aje ko tonyati je se bono atole kodi bari nga tonyale je amanke dina tide. But UDP is a moral political party. It's not a rich party. It is rich in morality. It is rich in ethics. It's a symbolic party in the region of West Africa. Nganyim kumo mo jamale kafo. But I supported Mbemo Killing single out Lajan to support that person. Sena Bombay Lundolo ma fintita. Ngaje is it ngaje nung TikTok or real something like that. She was talking about Fenke Samba, Fat Samba, Alamani Monin Kafaro Kelai. Sorry, Pa Oz. I do not want to remind you of your trauma, but Fat Samba is Gambian Fat Samba. Senambaye kuma killing for ako. Gambians don't celebrate their people until they perish. This is true. Go. You see this Usainu Dabo? It's an icon. It's a legend, living legend. Nimi Malo, Altala Alfal Yininkade, Walatina, do not go aggressive on Usainu Dabo because Munom Mojama be here Ayla Alfal rescue. He's a lawyer. The lawyer who will not defend you ni tonya table. Kafuko droiba jola kodola aye defend no. The lawyer who would never defend a drug cartel. Some lawyers are happy for drug cartel later because they pay them a lot of money. They pay them a lot of money. This man is a very sincere and ethical man. He's not greedy. And Ntalu, we will never leave him to walk alone. Yes. We will never let him walk alone. So the UDP Diaspora Fundraising Committee, under the leadership of Bob Toure, mba tentula bake mba jaila. Anala molu be with the deputy Aminata Bakani. Anila molu be brother MB Kurubali. We have seen Yekulu Minulke. We have seen how professional they did the thing. Jali Seattle nsa tentu bake nga jai. A UDP T-shirt was sold for $500. This is a souvenir. Mbafola aja jomaiko. Nyin T-shirt ta ya sakila bungo kono. Ni sakeno frame kono frame. Ake frame kono ya sakila bungo kono. It's a souvenir. Aja Joma doesn't buy this T-shirt pour kafuko abadunale. Aminata Ba bought it for $200. She doesn't buy that T-shirt, Kafuka Baduna. $200 if she goes to Chinatown in New York, Aminata Ba would have carried 3 suitcases full of suitcases with T-shirts. These are souvenirs. I'm going to talk to her. Mbafulai ko taya ke fonko kono, frame kono, aike souvenir ti la bungo kono. Don't wear it. It's souvenir. Ila dingolu, wolu dingolu have to see what Aminata Ba have done for the country. This is a part of your history, Sister Aminata Ba. Alima. Alela oke sutunu. Ayebusi nala sa ngawleji. Nfangola Alim. Sayo guys segu ye kutunala. Segu marena. Nibe futala loya sisla jada mayale. Inshallah rabbi. Sisla mundella loya. Alda loya nyinola. Malal be loya juma barista sisla. O mundella loya. Ngal kondo way Alima e family be kondo nyaman. So the UDP Diaspora Executive. I can't the UDP Diaspora Executive Mbal Tentula Bake Mbal Jaila under the leadership of Mbocheri Khan. Thank you very much, Tida Caesar, for the reminder. Enila Caesar Kundangaya Bay. Yeah, Caesar, so you will not take the challenge because Alima is your sister. You see? Caesar, no. Mbela loya lansino mba for a maribaroya table. Thank you very much, Sister Tida Caesar, Jenaba Mas. Motola katakuo under estimate nola UDP kono. Sister Jenaba Mas is just Jenaba Mas. O mo bela Jenaba Mas le wallahi. The UDP executive is all fanal tentu bake. Niaje mbe bausenu mba fola ko wuli keba ka wuli ndala dimba ya koto. Sisla recent again ka wuli ndala dimba ya koto. I play nota I na America anala dimba ya koto je miliboko Bamba Tumbali Ahmed Suda Landin Sane Fartu Fenke Jabi Mimbota nang passé. Sisla you yeah.
Sa.
Now.
Akalin deni ko dong, you know. Kana mo na UDP platform.
Well,
nimida France mbe Arsenal deni ko sana dabo nga sama presento la ba dun. Ma bon la mani yade.
No.
baro Arsenal le. Dabu
Ah,
taro.
banda. Bila wala malaka niyo kuya na wala siya ni. Wala talang detara je. Yalo dia mo tara ko ko pinda ito tuyo.
Ya berarti amantara Arsenal fan birin dabu ko be Manchester on dra ko baru ngata Arsenal.
Ah, man wala Arsenal you know. So amina naka bida naka Arsenal to ba support lang.
Exactly anil lamin sadamol.
I wala mi you know. Eh man musa ibe program be interesting ni ko makendol men fokante.
Very much. Thank you.
Ola na musa 19 nol mel be mathematic la Facebook auto nyin flag bera ko nyanta ta tenku. Musa nyaji geno mas nol amina bañul ko men ke patio e. Ibe daring. Ite ma ka mo la Facebook. In flag bera no sense dia mo le. But amina baje this is the second time. Ave UDP la fonko attend la.
In one.
Yeah. We are like European kada America. It's not easy.
It's not easy, no.
So, General Mas dinana da UDP la wala General Mas ka kodo mbonde mo be yalo
Terrible.
abuka diam kita jelo Facebook no sense diam wala so wala na in dokelo be nin social media diam wala ten talibule mu tiang ko mu na fango di rohile na flag berati etenko ala fo etenko
Wallahi.
UDP party or the party with the principle Dolma Waltera in Alpha la in Congress city mentombo nga blano ka.
Wallahi.
Blano. Ani hunter will dawo fanga fola ta fanga impose la molka. Ni mol man dafa.
Nene mawo.
Ana mo okay. Mo be aron neko. So sometimes I get pissed off because ngaje la ko imang lo adabo ima respect.
Ma respect wallahi.
No, because lumena fama kerfado I interview ko kerfado. I see a lot of people the comment was disgusting.
Yeah.
Ito ko la nyatong ko ito ko mo mula nyatong ko la party leader. Obe interview la fa be comment la fa Talib is going to be the best leader Talib Yanks ni. What kind of ito ko yo mari respect.
Wala.
Call him your party leader?
Talib ni Yankuba wala ko indile ko.
Exactly.
So, crazy.
You know what I mean? In congressman from Kata Seattle, they kaji dolbe Talib sia, dolbe Indonesia, ibuka Indonesia. What? It actually call particular. Huh?
Wallahi.
Division na fela mo la patiro. Le patio me alam ko boy pati alfal.
Be kan you mbeke be celebrate, mbeke be la
Exactly. And all in the kake, Better be one UDP, touch one, touch all.
Wallahi.
But there are few people in this party, many alam ko le fakat division na fe party, and don't work la. We will never allow them.
Inshallah, at a work la.
Imang UDP kat. UDP the Nicole Dum, but imang UDP kat. Na kuntra man tafu they will all vote. And men kan te kafa, ini outside al kambe, ika camp, ika young UDP culture. Moment yalon ko anana mala fi UDP anana la fi moment kafu ko mala fa la nyaron ko la nale abon lembe it ayu
Billah.
like sometimes musan ka kafa man
No, it's disgusting there.
Mo fonkalo ikafale ko mala fa la nyaron ko way mo na means be yalon ko mala ne ko mala fo am jara ngata auto be yalon yeah so atol nol kana tenke Musa nya talib kala talib tibi
Yeah.
UDP ndolla kat yang dawo the same thing Rohi Malik lo the same thing ite campaign nyela meo karre fa Brazil ndolle campaign men kanyende ite so wala nante ndabuka nte yanks Talib Rohi o ndata silala mola o ngamal mola katonya fo
Wallahi ngo malo me
because you are not paying my bill ndala ka campaign kale ku nga campaign kale yalla alla campaign time so itol ya ko in lako they are not problem but men be no men ke funk man ko itol be in campol different campol they are the problem yes and we see them on social media so nga ko yes somebody
but ni ala kitita ala this is going to be a very good opportunity for every UDPian.
Yes.
It will unify UDP. You know how?
Yes.
Sizzla. Wallahi, keba al nga bula no ma ba yalon de bugala kumo be for la social media because you ini moto tarla kelola e kala mistake of fire.
Yes.
It's going to be an eye opener for him.
Yes.
Mimbe caring Gambia B.
Mm-hmm.
Wallahi problem to UDP. Alhamdulillah, UDP dingolu sotota.
No, problem to you. Yeah. When social media to only kind no system.
Presidential candidate. Musa said is the presidential candidate. Jare Sanes presidential candidate. Modo skeno presidential candidate. But party dol kono wolma woso.
Yes.
Nyimu ala tentu balati de. Bari bi mbe bi minto bi. Problème o mimbe NPP wallahi ni ko yallon ndelu bendela problem to you problem
but Musa problem be MPP nyanya
ha
very rare MPP ko jena social media kanyo attack
ibu kanyo attack no
hani wa follow la audio le I think but kana social media to control back kan nyawante UDP you know it's not right.
Exactly.
It is time we make a stop on it.
Yeah, just Sisla. Yes, sir. Well, na Bausenu is a legend. Bausenu lota ko. Okay, Sisla Ferenda Jolonda. Bausenu ko. Ako Yankuba Dabo, Chairman Yankuba Dabo e Kumalefo. Ako Chairman Yankuba Dabo ko. Don't steal, don't lie. This is the mantra of UDP. This is the motto, the new motto of UDP. And this has been in UDP's manifesto. Because Yankuba is a bona fide UDPian. UDP yellow like a bora balajato kono. Yankuba Dabo. He said this. But UDP call kawata, ikapare kenyo UDP ko castigate la kununga modo leje tole olo mwoti ba mtemalo Umar Bun. Itenente baby party killing. Thinking that that's supposed to be directed to Barrow and his cartels. Ngamire tanyanda kontan na wala. Ikana iko support lenyini. Iba fola bayo sonko iko. Hai moli nenyi narjane. Wa intenga nyimfo. Afelentu usenda abokote. You see the prematureness of some of the people. Wala tinante nteni UDP nkodu se loba nkonka nyole sababa. For what purpose? A UDP? No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't go solo to do that. But Sisla be kuma arimbara kono. Sisla
Sana mo wailor jolontam.
Okay. You call
sorry, you know.
Back again. Oh, it's okay. You back again.
Yeah, so wala problem we have to namolo kang, you know. Amantara right dabo fintra na diamuta. Ofo nyanta UDP kono fa momo ko ite party yon kan ye dabo respect. You know, ko stop sa tol it's okay for kwani campol men which mbialon ko campol man soro UDP and there will be no camp in UDP ni men ke vangone ne wala nyabe bulje camp de tara UDP
wallahi
and it all enough for 2026 yalo if a dream men let the dream continue it all ajam seka diam dala ko Dabo is our candidate.
Exactly.
And Dabo is our candidate. So it is time udundi ko kono birin sai Dabo le tola presidential candidate 2026. Nimme mala fola. Ite de façon patiolo e la femelle londa tambi.
That's it.
A real UDP kaw.
Yaraka choose Congress oleto.
Yes.
Now what ita they will choose the flag biar. Ni modo yaje ko ye musa arati UDP sonta musala unanimously. Itama itala be UDP bulala bar musa o de UDP bulala.
Exactly. A real UDP ko te UDP bulala.
No way. No way.
Many UDP al den ko do ye famo many UDP la fatarol. Ya ko ka UDP ko da ninka UDP la den ko do is different.
Wallahi.
It's different musa.
Wallahi.
Yes, and abakoilal 2026.
Inshallah Rabbi.
We are watching. So for Lerek, it will let them continue what they are doing. Niman la fika stop man daw respect. Because kaje le katara safrol melda. Hani daw be interview la kerfado from. I see a lot of disrespect comment from our own UDPians.
Yeah.
You know, Talib is the leader. Who told you that Talib is gonna be our flag bearer? Who told you that Youngs Dabo is going to be our flag bearer? Who told you that Roy is going to be our flag bearer?
Wallahi. Very
You know?
unfortunate.
Ika ni Youngs project ko fenge men be ke fong one talbla company because son kasia men be Youngs na fong ko namin, you know, it's disgusting, man.
Very close. Yankuba Dabola Dogo is a good name for UDP. Momo be kela UDP la fongo be Yankuba Dabo reference la. Bi Yankuba Dabo. Mbenga je janne. Nyinko Yankuba Dabo minketa.
Yeah.
Yankuba Dabo paid scholarship for students.
Exactly.
Fire jo UDP called neighbor.
Exactly.
Did he call ko nimbe scholarship for dila mola? It has to be a criteria ko itanyanta UDP la membership card or so. Aliya lon ne Yankuba Dabo scholarship di NPP dindi jella.
I know.
You know, so UDP in Telubenna Seo Bunne, what we need to do is that ko nyantale dorong nga Cairo sabatin dinda maulu tema.
Exactly. Nga disrespect bula nga chebal na dile sol nga bula ke disrespect on media.
Disagree tale.
Yes.
Agree. But woman yanati nan la ko nga fitino soto because woma tinan la fananko nte Musa ninte ko lafta Mustafa Susole la. That doesn't mean ko sisla manke mo kendoti. Honey, that doesn't mean that. So mimbije wolom nyintiko nte la flag biara sip 2021 womu lawyer Usenu Dabolete and he is the party leader. So 2026 ni procedures sita. The same procedures molbita wala whoever become the flag bearer until UDP dingul babula wala noma and we're going to campaign.
Some of these people they are stupid because Talib make it very clear according to Beloa. So why you keep fighting?
Okay, Mana Cham, UDP is not the solution. Who is the solution now? This is why we are bringing this discussion. You can also send join for Gambian Koleko. Who is the solution? Who is the solution here? So I think Joe Farms, that one, the privacy, you never know until a document will be done. You don't know.
Usa. No, nako ke la kadisto na venyo kanyane na kewa.
No, but
ato bolas kanso ya kaza. Akadisto nako you know. Nako me das mo ya fa masoro. Ya kaza. Nako abula yala kambula atahi mola. We can ona en kon mavla manna.
Yeah, what who solution? You can join, come in. Al-Kakamabo, we are talking about Gambia. If you want a change, Yaja Bisomandafon, I was engaging with one guy. Na Mokende Balum Gambia.
Yeah.
The UDP la. But Bisomanda, Nabe Diamola. Befene Diamuka. Akonyo ko Musa jambe nyaming is too terrible. Nkai ko mbe minkela nginam alkal loya dabo bal carte wala al malo because inate min fal tele nkai ka akonyo ko bar this time ndel be boy kato dila UDP la because munom akonya nyimbanko be nyami banko man tataku kam molu mbe molle fasa kan itele be famo enrich kan ndel be fa kam foire yala because aka metro minke akonya ko ninga cash power san ikanyin nangam le bondige ngai ko ikamano sanjel muna ni tara loptani ka jararo sotor ba ko hani ngai fo baro
exactly musa after every fan kan tek kam fa musa ikafanale da wot fegante ni man kata fa UDP Gambia sofa UDP da ma sofa.
Thank you loya na ko man $20,000 about
yeah 2021 ni 2021 mbotala jama be kumbola fa UDP da ma la kumbola.
Thank you.
You know, so ni kadiamu let them kata ya di barola 2026 who cares. Tola party leader is loya dawo no ku yata me ye fanga fa, you know. So ni me lafte la kata ya di barola ni Gambia ni baro kanyeta Gambia be sofa not UDP.
Exactly.
you know maybe kumbola my marcelo aman ka UDP ngat so bankola bata out na UDP damaka so ni la fe kato ya di barola that's their problem but it's a follow it na ka fonto le ko aljanta metongola la party leader you know
Yeah.
you are it's a man to la party ko la fa ka decide to la party who are you
what they can in their ideas bari ibakela hormone mbunyala kono etente lakke ba
no they cannot even they have no right to say that musa mental la party ko
exactly
you know
ngo min fama biye
you know yeah
quality be momo baletel kamin be fo komin sikeno UDP la presidential candidate wol be o quality karal lo ya dabo
UDP do wala fa right to ko fo to outside me e ko man la party on e ko man ke dundi da dundi mo la leaders ita ko man la fi UDP ha sa ita ka mule fenga bisin to la party netamente mo la
yalo ilaftale kanda mawlu distract kanda andi nyola andum domandi be succeed la wala
yeah
yo ya ngoy madam Cissé moyle ago subo 1 kilo meat and bone 450 euro dollars 400 dollars 450 dollars
cement ba ko ngama say ko 500
wolu ngadi ngamole je ay fenne bondi num Facebook
so cement ba ko fo UDP ko damal ka bungulo gambe
thank you
they are very stupid sometimes you know because me live dialogue
I fenne bondi num on Facebook
yeah
sa Dauda Yaya Baro ay mburo ay is it $3 ay mburu ko bondi ay mburota fo sa Dauda Yaya ay fo $5 le landi ay mburu ko ta anata fo Baro ay $10 so landi e kay ko handi $12 lom e $12 so landi. This is a very very educative fonko video I minke what because near
my sister ko ako cemento 550 you know
550
madam Cissé yeah
just crazy nita nyanta bungo lola ita nyanta bungo lola bungo mi ya lonko nyanta 6,000 blocks la useful. A bag of cement is only $550 $1,000 ite be bag cement boto killing na shotla auto $1,000
exactly
so ite nyanta andu ni lafta cement kendola block kendo because bunjam blocko different inches long ite lafta block kendola kalafle one bag of cement at least yafo ko maybe manafi more than 25 blocks la ni la but time people will go for maybe 40 blocks with one bag of cement ni hani e bloko chikaraka be tay ita ko be bungolo la wol
exactly on the camera so UDP damala bungulo kan Gambia ko
thank you mo jamala bullo lotal bar baro ni baro bina bullo la sai Muhammad Jabe cemento maybe 2,000 bag of cement aba fandila moto ko na sambaye wo 2,000 bag of cemento Muhammad Jabe na wo koloni wo profito be bon laltel Gambia dingul le court
exactly
del foirol court because munom ika president so cemento la ya so kenyola ya so basalla ya so berola ya so rotola ya so femo bela bari ite la nyantam bunno ka trasulen kan e kan fang bungo kono you don't even have ite buka hanen wa kalo fang so do be min lalaka wa
e ko kata bula barol no e ka support
ikata bula barol no
yeah well fang be sofa kan you know nsa
yo yaje Cissé kundam ko itel particular to domoro la Gambia nak o subo kilo fonye Sekou Cissé fanam fela ko today I come across a video fees cost of $12,000 to $14,000 is sad which average Gambian can afford that Sekou mba fole ko tanje na kilian balle be oto ndemin ka diamte ni tanje nkolu na kilian balle bije andu dolbe je e kan jubele ni atambe fan yara folaja nde ni ndada Gambia every 2 or 3 days nkata nye sangola badato nsafo every week nkata nye sangola tanje badato tanje
yeah
ni nga foye sisla ita belief la nena nga nyewo santanje nata birim ko namuso ko ngani nangam le sak I don't want to say the ngam min sa nyewola mol sita mira fallo mbalialo bar birin kay ko ngani ne sa nyewola he was kind of angry ngai hanide ngai dingole en sandal because ndenga nyewo sanne fom pareta ndada moto do bar birimbe findila birimbe bola moto kono ngako do bondile ngake na moto la kapeto koto bar yara fan dingo engel sisla ndada nga nyewo san muso na tamba indi fo moto ko nyambaringe itambitan tela itata nyewo san dulado nkai ko tonyalo mun kai ntambita moja malla manyewo san dulabero nkai ko hako bondinye bar nga nyew sanne oreda ko nyoko ntede ni mamma ko ya felenti so kuta domor fante ya it was so touching so sad
because you can see Marcelo from time on kilang bukana
domor fante ya lafta nga nyi nyewle wafu mfana ngata tabiro ke so kon anka bar nte nga nyew san mufta nadin su gudo natan ayen sa ay batle de fombota muso bala akonye baba akonyana akonye kodo mintu moto kono du ngago ha bar nga nyew sanne already akonye go ha bar baba ni na nyew san nte balo fa
I feel you know
billahi ay ni na fon ngago ay moto chabo di ala dada because ha jala nga kodo kedam arara ko mamuso nyini nka fan ila nyew be mu jal ntanga kodo be nkon ndingo ka bi adia ay kodo nyimbe muso ni yesa multa ke fonko kon wallahi birin sera su ko na muso go ngani nangam le sanya she was kind of angry because I feel kon tata ko di nyawol bar birin nga explain ay ga ko nye wo betato
mo ko tol ko si masor le kada e ka si masor le fotilo boy bu ka wa fro
fotilo boy bu ka fen soto no
it's sad man so Gambia
nim futata na because nin tata ni ka kacha ba nin tata je na hanabe wandi nye wasala so la na nyaange akanala akala fongol fay na foko na ko tego kana di mo because na cliano lo long time na meta nyobul atel kan na ñew be topoto abu kan caaj tous freng abu kan caaj fenna you know
sister ya abis na be France na kena France na be
Gambia musolu iba katakan so
na partner in crime lam ya abis
na
twin sister na twin bakaw sister lam
ko man de ya abis wo mun tedam malla sister
no nda twin solam na twin partner in crime
adalaka fabu butongo lo ni fabu
ay jaw fabu wala nak na sister
Sister, UDP is the solution. Because UDP, fuaro lela na fulo dundi UDP kundo iko alama barako kela na nying patriote. Fuaro. Yaya Jammeh, how many times was my lawyer Dabo approach to get him in his government? Lawyer Dabo Yaya Jammeh la first Justice Minister Yaya Jammeh min nominate. Amanso. The same lawyer Dabo resigned from Sadauda Kairaba Jawarala government as Solicitor General. The same lawyer Dabo Sadauda MC Chamle Kiakang Akaiko left ya diama left akela Anthony Generality, Minister of Justice. Dabo Manson atata la private practice ke. Ite mune quality je Talib Bala, Yankuba Bala, or whoever ite kam ngomofo lawyer Dabo man quality min soto ikana nyaku nin talakano la de. This is the man.
It's even disrespect to say that, you know, from our own UDPians, you know. Yeah.
But I said, good afternoon, guys. Musa and Sisla, I agree. You all, no one go to the market right on your UDP. Thank you, sister. Whatever mutonya altide. Nde baloka fa Gambia nkole bake. And sister yalon te ninde dara Gambia. What would you be doing? Intercandiul Sambanos. Ninda believe for a Gambia Namus of Gadanos. Intercandiul. Get Chikange Sambanos. And Nufranos. Sister Bilai Musol Milbenos. They give me chance. Put Dr. Lienge. No soul ending only. Wallahi. Musol. Yeah. It okay. Cut with the not like Jandroy K. Dimol Nat. Jango Alafal Kemalena. Alafu Alman time was on Alial Dimul delay. Samana. So, Ngata Marcel. Nenatara Marcel. Wolo namuso kabe supale tabila na doma do tata je sai wobe America tata marso serekunda yo zot mo be Joshua sister birum futata marso do super wolo ko ako super na super baga sol sang nga fongol sa sonko mbadunga tulise nimbe tulise sana rek nga okay 5 liter bidon so sister
ya dafa nita maso debuka ke Adam Barrow ita mo la ko be samusa ñew kat
conciliano be mo yalla de ba sa tenin ko wala nan tane Adama te benno la because
Musa Barrow fo dia kate ka $150,000 boy a day
Gambia bala faale soto
Gambia taxpayer ko hani ja UK jam Buckingham Palace fam bu ko don it's more than 3,000 pound
amam bala faale soto because munon problem odi mune anna biri lawyer dabo benu vice president yala ya fay ko anyanta 5 mbinda no le soto la andu ya itandi ko nyanta la clothing allowance kala le nyanta nyala akwa mansula bela
yala way boke kamusa yala way yok ila taka pa bi nyin nondi ala ko ata nondi la
bara man sonde
you know why ye ko bel try pour ka nondi but ala ko ata nondi la yala ala ko moment no la no matter no te ni evil plan sul be try lo da ko kam ka nondi musa
nte bi ning min diamuta comme malaf kala siofo bari alhamdulillah rabbil alamin wallahi ayen asola ko nyoko musa akonyo ko tonya loya dabo ko nyoko mur nyanta chance di la sa nkai ko alnya chance di ala because munon problem mo mune yatinna sanji tan saba mo klimo be fen nyinin nal bulu barala opponentol nene ma fali ko ay corruption wala ke amambete ka kuma clean ka wala dundal tulo kono rek aliota altel be min fe wala min be banko sambala nyata ko nyako ha a kalita nya ko ngina ndel bebe carte o
musa hani ma di dabo fon la last time la way mu def kalfat la fonko rako ni ma diat la Alifa Sallah be ya di Alifa Sallah ni koy banko la je
exactly
why ba vote Alifa Sallah
exactly pale lota jande Halifa ko ako ate fon la supportal le ka fate ko tonya last time man carte o dila because zilatal ni nga dila num lo adabo be ganyela nga di baro
look at that asidia
very
ndeta sodla do fanan kana soto banko ti ay man kaya bari be ko kanje ndaka wala foy UDP dama bugata marché
ako is an insult
insult
plate ko ni nga carte o di tela num lo adabo be ganyela wala tinanga di barola andum baro was not their choice tel ko baro man bete a baro mano berbi wala ko imagine
nyaje non UDP ansol mi alan ko outsider le bina Facebook ba fala ko ha tal tomora yang stombo ya jenna UDP dingol fon nyato tendem
exactly
yala modne te ya musa ka foy ko al nyinga waje nyato no so modne te ka fonya ko lo da moto yala mo fon cité ita sibolo ita maka UDP ngati e kan de ka fonya ko al nyanta men fenkala la pa ya image but yala na mul fon la ke entertain
operation le kumasi
yeah
operation oto mbede fon da dundi la je mbe mo jama da dundi la ko kono le sisa jare wolu mo jamalu mbe mole normala mi ya lonko alhamdulillah mbe nga katabake na nyomoy nga make sure ko nga fanan natina on board patio Gambia dingul be tara ko kilimo kundo wala mu Esa Bokar Si nga sambana nga diamai bankola intereso because kunu ngala interview la moy andunte mala kin follow wallet
and King Jovis New York City nga fana la fe UDP King dañ la esi UDP the King
dagora
na ko to kelew na King Jovis
No, Jobis is a sound guy.
It's a true shooter. It's a true shooter. I like him, you know. Yeah.
He knows what's better for the
Yeah.
country. He lives in the
Yeah.
state, so he knows what is better for the country. You know,
Yeah.
Big Master, I say so no me for UDP ma. Sisla Jadama, Jumale Neneba Folako, you've seen Musa on the social media, not all social media malabe molu nenk.
Nobody.
So when wala na nigo UDP kan nendro ko UDP kan nendro min for UDP ma wala mi ka tonya min for because nin tonya le kan dimi.
Exactly.
Ikamolu so do Gambia mbele be kala kilingoti we fought because Banco already have a criminal law. And
Nika tonya fo ya remember no before long time ago ela sister Fatu Kamara.
Ha.
I can't tell him keep insulted in you. Because nka tonya ya nika tonya fo ka vole ko nyinka mole ne.
Ibuka mo eka tonya.
Anu tonya keso tonya fo nga tonya fo nyoe mali. Tonya fo ntere avoka tere atinya.
Nde watu mo ndani Bob Toure.
Yeah, and then when you come to lawyer Dabo, I don't compromise.
Yeah. What more lawyer?
I will never compromise.
At Camara, what more so? Janinta will jindla na la ron kar nga kije ko boycott continues.
Yes.
So lawyer dole bi jakal sama ko ko Musa ni wulta soma nanga fo bi malo Musa mune safela. Ngai ko ako nyoko al sabari sa ngai ko
and there no boycott time ila friend nafiko sabala en text la akonyo ko lion akonyo ko alen boycott be la ke hit kan la akonyo la hit kan le akonyo sabala ila ke ila friend
na friend
akonyo ko al text of la murja akonyo ko alen boycott abanda akonyo aba finish kan akonyo kana easy na akonyo la hit kan le wah ninga no somebody is an idiot.
Ndenga alone andu wala ndenga fo mole ngoko Pat Camara, we don't hate her. It's very simple. Ita wandi alfa ne la platform moto ya feel ko mole o jindi te ko te jila ita ina feel ko wo dingul yen murite la platform moto ko ketele.
Exactly. Yeah, respect. Exactly.
We don't hate her. Intel be duala mina Pat Camara ala television station o soto. Abe Gambia non le employ la.
Yeah.
You understand? But it after ko
not alone for affair but ala network is biased. Ate masakunda ni UDP masakunda they iba vina for nyinta platform. So we don't need those kind of people in the society. They are the problems.
You cannot diala le de.
I know.
Yeah, allocate la anu Pat Camara is qualify pour ka okeno soto because okeno
qualify. Exactly.
Nite a soto ite manyana a soto la imanyana Pat Camara function keno soto la so
and
you cannot dia
which is corruption ita ko journalist okodo ani 40 million me yatala media team
thank you
so ite am revetil na nyadi ite masakunda na tare ite ko journalist itu doko no hanye to yaje ka tonya falendi fongola boy so that's very sad. That's why we have problem with her. We don't.
Birako nae pare nate lota ya jamenya roka faile la bada so munyin kolaldi.
Tela for the
no, but I follow ofo.
Freedom. Yes, no remember no.
I follow ofo. Ako ko foi mo la fanuda. Ngai
kinna manyo wala ne kinga kada telefono kinjo is.
Pat Camara la sinsi do kunda.
Guy kinna manyo wala kinga kada telefono yeah Musa but Musa to be honest Gambia na Africa ya siato banko kam wala no banko pride anya to for ko ala ibe nyin loada wo chelo be umunete because loada wo manding called
parata la Carola back
this the problem wala mo damalam de ka fight wala ibu kay leader dul fight Ali Fasala be video as lead can since 1987
no 1978 79
video as why will 1987
70s kodalan
yeah so ibuke moy ka ko Ali Fasala ji mo do sel ibuke moy
is the oldest political party.
It's only UDP is the only political party me like Afukala leader falling because na leader munati Mandinko and they have problem with Mandinko. Nina mutonyati. Alante molke Dakar me nanda kaolefo.
No, but since la wolo mutonyati.
In fact, yeah.
Okay.
It's all about tribalism.
7, you are right. You are right.
Yeah, 87 lang, yeah. 87 lang. So Alifa party lead ka since that year. Jani UDP fang, yato UDP ma ulu follow. But when I look for Alifa Eji,
Wallahi.
Ni party dolombe party leader so libu ka mo like afo ala leader so fali.
No, but yalo
UDP rek.
Man tariko long. Yalo niafo ndeka mo modol fang. Yalo Gambia, we have to learn and we have to accept Niman Fem long. You have to accept. You cannot know everything. Thank you, Uncle. Yaje, you opposition leader. Ikafoko ha womanya na folako baro man nyana tala tatam la munat na ofon man som puriate falling. François Mitterrand of France. Europe banku jumale democratic ta France.
Exactly.
François Mitterrand, how many years he was looking to be the president of France? A la 5th time lo manata so. 4th or 5th time lo manata so.
Yeah.
Mane.
Small brother.
Mane.
New York City.
Incriminate.
New York.
Fatu wayam la de.
King, luta dem lo swing Congress.
They were the best lovers.
Yo.
Okay.
Mr. Seri bumla sonal Fatu wayam la. Fatu rek lam nok.
Fatu nekut
sonal de.
No,
pare yow sis la njuma nga yow luta ñew la na.
Lakin I'm a living man. Holiday.
No gaay ñoo la waroon a jox pass dafa seer yow wof nga ñu jox la. UDP dañ nay nak.
Suma cousin sister mu ngi on foofu daf ma represent foofu.
Ay dégal mu ne suma cousin sister daf ma represent. Yow looy wax ni Fada. Sa cousin sister di Gambien boo xamantene bossi Gambien yi boppam la.
Waaw fii la jógee UK fii la jógee mu dem foofu mu dem siyaat.
Yow gëmloo ma ne da nga ñëw dama waroon a tukki sa yow yaa tax ma fooma.
Yeah. No, kin na yow ñëw seet
suma trip bi de dégg
no yow kin na ñëw seet especially no in New York City.
Waaw loolu nga war a def na Mr. Seydi ñu ngi laa nuyu.
Thank you very much, bro. Nice. Welcome.
Yow fan nga nekk yaa ngi America ndax yaa ngi Europe.
No, maa ngi Europe. I'm in Ireland.
Oh, you're in Ireland. Thank you.
Yeah.
You know. King. Yaa ngi fresh foofu de yaa ngi enjoy the king ah. Man oto nga nekk di dawal ni.
No lii la BMW bi suma benn moto waay la rek dama ko kii man
suma waay mooy
man du ma nit moto
mooy
ñun rasta lañ ñun struggle lañ xam nga.
No, I know king loolu mooy tax ma respect la
moto bi moom man du ma nit moto sax laay ma moto.
King, yes, so yeah, King. Dama la bëgg a laaj benn question King. Yow loo gisee wax bi because ñun suñ parti leader bi dafa fekk ne nit yi they have problem with it. You know, Halifa Sallah is leading since 1987, you know what I mean? But nobody complain about Halifa Sallah, the leadership have to change, PDIs, but the only party they have problem King, more UDP rek, UDP dafa war a wàcc dafa war a wàcc. Yow loo gisee wax bi King.
It's very sensitive there though. But again, I'm mangi ñu fa nekk yëpp, especially audience yeeg UDP followers yi. Dëgg la UDP is a mighty party, parti bu mag la. I mean ñu leen respect yëpp nit yi lañ respect du UDP sax. Ñu bari ñu ngi dugg UDP di business gis naa leen because UDP suñ la followee xam nga following bi dafa heavy. And I believe ne xëy na deep down in the heart ku mel ni man xam nga man follow ma am benn following amuma ko suma yoon. Man lu ma def du change. And all of that. But all I know is Gambia force more important than a party's, follow a party leader or stuff like that. Lawyer Dabo, well, man, recently, man, is a very healthy person. I mean, he talk well. I mean, he is educated, could focus, calm. I mean, mag degala, but situation. Bi ñu nekk ak Barrow su fekkee ne Lawyer Dabo mun na ma see génne man jobis. Man ma ànd ak moom. Man da ngeen maa déglu bu baax. Mr. Seydi bi bu ma si munee génne. Ma ànd ak moom yow boo ma si génne ndax Badama Barrow nekkut fa. yow nekkut fa te nit yi dañ foog ne mu ngi fa. Barrow atijee nekkut fa. So ñun problème bi lañ am. So UDP nag am nañ am nga yu bari yu nekk si biir. I mean the divide and all of that they are part of this Talib and the others are there. But then again fekkee ne they listen to Talib deep down they would understand that Talib is I mean still very loyal to the dad. C'est pro I mean Dabo and I believe ne Talib nekkul nit koo xamante ni daf day jàmpa di betray and all of that. So let's just listen to the bigger man, that's Dabo himself.
Yes.
Whenever he's ready to hand the party to whoever, well, it's up to the people to follow or not. But until then, man, I'm gonna just have to, entitle him as the party leader and the party whatever.
Exactly. But
so winning election, Dabo become a president. I mean, man, I will be better, man. They're not better because he will listen. I mean, again, he wouldn't see me like somebody who might have some type of agenda to to sabotage or to break down his government. And stuff.
That was very democratic, yeah.
They also feel that he's been in the game for so long. Bufeke Halifa, they feel that he is tired and he should retire. And Dabo feel like he's still gonna have to move. I mean, well, in the former Senegalese president Wada, have hustled and have struggled a lot. At the end, he was able to at least get a couple times, and is now being given the very good feedback about his presidency. As you know, Waji now wanted the phone very well in terms of infrastructure. I mean, bringing money in Senegal and all of that. With all the ages and stuff that people put it in and stuff. I mean, I believe in Dabo, Dabo, with the Talib and the group that you guys feel like they are intellect and they have Gambia at heart. Gambia at heart, nekune Gambia da fly defaral care.
Yeah.
Gambia at heart, minuna Gambia da fly job free waiver. Gambia at heart, minuna da fly wara def ambassador or some type. Nañ di jéem a jël dëkk bi jokko ñoo xamante ne seen expertise moo oote liggéey boobu nga xam ne they have asked for seen jànga dafa war a represent liggéey boobu leen te ñu nekk ñu maandu nekk doom yoo xam ne duñ doomi sàcca waaye jamono bi maay wax ak yéen yaa ngi jur doomi sàcca ci Gambia bi
thank you
waaw loolu moo am pour en ku ko faa baakoo nag di foog ne is normal is not when you die sa doom mu dem ñu ne waaw dafa inherit kër boobu noonu fekk këri Gambia la. That is bad. Yo, Denga, we don't have time to live here longer. You understand? Let's leave a great mark, great food mark, Bohamantini, Elek, Nitimunko Jol, the Wasinyo, the likes of Mandela, likes of all of those, Mabunga Wako, to be them Siko, Betenya Amdis Ibrahim Traore, the Niger guy. These are great people that you were a copy. Then you buy Chahan, we buy you bari, in the person the Kabi. The Kabi, I'm not Gache man Bumak, because the Kabi never could them. Dafa dëkk bi nu meloon bu ma fa jóge woon ba léegi moo fa am mbalit bi taw bi
def delloo gannaaw sa jobis dëkk bi
absolutely mi ngay delloo gannaaw with Barrow is delloo gannaaw because ñoom Barrow they are like bushfire Fatoumata Bah Barrow baaxul Fatoumata Bah baaxul mais yow
mooy problème bi
Fatoumata Bah nekk di sàcc bari na te ñii dañ leen believe ne léegi sax ñu leen a jéema cover because they feel that they have some landmark in the country.
Yeah.
We are all Gambian. I don't judo koina judo si ala. For muntu judo Gambia soil be more important. Everything else is just something that we all built together, which is the capital. We are all from Banjul because you're Banjul and Jange. It's our capital. Yamajil. For muna jel ni take off and you cover because of family and stuff. Do muna neka or partisan and shit. Let every Gambian be ready. Purunga Jema take the responsibility. Muy Sapati leader, muy whoever work there. Because cover is nothing. Let us be real here though. Man, I don't even cover Jema side some line, some more than that when it comes to Gambia and its less of virginity or what. Today, Gambia has been taken away by this dirty ECOWAS Gelenile. Hale yangi fofuno the young soldiers from outside. Duga si dekabidi the harassing jigeni felenile. The death you born nasty.
Dogumala, you have brought a very sensitive issue here about these ECOWAS forces. Legi, nyana neka di fei ECOWAS soldiers. Where is this budget coming from?
Partly Gambia moy fay ECOWAS soldiers bin len dore di len di sign back. Ya Barrow mo len jël di sign back. Mo len di fay. You understand? Faying len dollars, faying len CFA dollars lañ
dollars fay wow.
US dollars. Senegalese authorities yu lo len gis ni no yep. They ñom ñep ya by behind ECOWAS ñu leen a fay dollars. Fatoumata Bah Barrow musla gis Gambien bu nekk ginaaw. Fu muntu dem ponkali njoli 3 meters ñokoy topa. And they are all not Gambia. Lulu is very undone. Very who are we that we cannot take over our own seat though? Man Lulu. Gambia should have been ready for themselves after ECOWAS we needed, but then after man believe after 6-7 months, we could have been strong enough to take over our own charge though, and then get rid of all of these soldiers out of the country. While li def moy dañ leen fa bay Barrow di def lu ko ne xam nga let me tell you guys one thing though, everything ñun luñ bëgg am ko loo bëgg tali bi jox la ko loo bëgg soo génnee si mbedda bi am ko waaye ñun dañ def foog ne Jobis wax ne génne na maa ngi inside violence and all that. No, I'm not. I'm just trying to tell the government that ñun we are not your and you shouldn't be us. But again, ñun ñoo leen jóobu foofu leen.
Exactly.
They are for our own well-being and all of that. So su fekkee ne da ngeen feel like ne yéen because of the power you calling yourself, which is us, ne moom ngeen a use pour touch ñu loolu youth si ñoo ko war a mun a bañ.
Definitely.
Bare ngeen bàyyi di liyante like don ku nekk bu mu nekk ci lu ko neex rek. Comme naa ne well let me just work on that. Who cares about what Joey's old lion is doing? No. Yow gisal Gambia bi ne rek ñun suñ doom yi ëllëg ñu inherit loo xamante ne it will different men like yow ak lion living outside.
Honestly,
it should be graduated by now.
Honestly,
we don't need it anymore. You
understand? No. We need Gambia.
And let me add this to Dabo. I was listening. I thought Lawyer Dabo must have had maybe grab a good chunk of Yahya Jammeh's Nakalenka resource. And I also thought Dabo also have involved in Mighty Cross when he was what he was with Barrow. Why yet Barrow munuma jox ben evidence man yow munu joxul ma dara ay doomam la
thank you li moo tax ma laaj la nag da ngay wax dëgg
suma jigéen la suma sista la xam na ma mu ngi Atlanta faale wu ma yooyu leen yëpp waaye Barrow si boppam amul dara si Dabo su fekkee ne nag fii ba November next year January Barrow indilun ma benn evidence of Dabo lu mu def ak lu mu wax si biir government am billahi wallahi ay Jobis will go behind Dabo.
Exactly.
loolu moom mun naa leen ko wax waaye on léegi man maa ngi toog leen di xaar rek this is something that I want to pass. Let them also know that they are coming. This is September. It's about to come.
Yeah.
The responsible grouping biñ doy def ci hotel bi fii over whole of a flight of Gambian to just attend this UN summit must end. Yow dëkk boobu nga nekk Ireland the representative come only 3 people ñoom ñetti tubaab. Oh, they don't even need it because when you come here, you take charge of your security. So why Adama Barrow is bringing over 60 people, 40 people here for?
Then they smuggle nini because the disaster management director, coordinator, Standard Dahaba, muson na jël xaalis ci benn jigéen mu ne ko dinaa la toppatoo visa su ñoo dem America UN summit ñu dugal la ci plane bi nga fay ma xaalis. This is a senior civil servant who is dining and whining and a sponsor of NPP. Standard Dahaba. Then you get the scammers yini, all these scammers that are scamming Gambian people, putting am visa, they are all associates of NPP. And Barrow is aware of this. So Lord Mota, we want transparency and accountability. Legi Barrow minister more job mune. They are coming to counter.
Mr. Sede Dogomolangane Barrow is aware of all of this. Binko has Sadamati, he doesn't know. Billahi aware of.
Okay.
Other boy, ban Numaham Barrow. I mean, he doesn't know. Adama Muntu Binda. Adama Muntu Adama Nyum Jel
King Barrow because being Barrow at New York City, King was there with them. King knows lot.
I know Adama well before he was.
He knows a lot about Adam Barrow and Fatuma Barrow.
Okay.
Man, I know Fatuma Barrow went long time. Fatuma Barrow domam. Blame Matahawa why? So much Jahamoko than Bambane. Why blame Matahawa why Farah?
Wow.
King. Export.
Man Fale Maluma Aklumani Tope. Yamajili. Fatuma Barrow. Mote government bi ci lo xamanteni du yoon Fatou dafa naxari deret te gaay ñemeñuñ ko
dafa soxor
te xamul lu mo def te ñepp papa gi ay ak mam whatever lañ ko dé oyé and then she pretend like she know what she doing. She doesn't know nothing. ñu ko jox nak this mantle mom in charge because of Barrow nekut fa Barrow mu nga ko tej ci nek mu nelaw 24 hours du fa joggé ya imagine so koku nak nakalam la mëna waxé lan la government nek di daw. So it's not right. Imagine. Yaya Jammeh bi degala. I'm ñun ñepp an koy whatever. Billahi. Am nga poop.
Wow.
Bi Jammeh mo gën Adama Barrow. I swear to my mother. Billahi day. Wallahi day Yaya Jammeh mo gën Barrow.
I'm sorry because the office he is occupying, the office is a respectful office. Why Yaya Jammeh honor ko fi mu ne Adam Barrow mbam la.
Which is true though. Yaya Jammeh this is you know mbam la xel bi lam la wax. Barrow du mbam waaye daf laa ne xeli mbam lam amee. Adama nekkut fa. Gambien yi añ leen understand loolu leen. Waaye suñu demee ba nga xamante ne man tamit amuñ dara lu ñoo choose. Lu pull and pull moo fi nekka. Knock and knock me. And then I will go behind the majority. Man majority bi moma arrangé. Man activist la.
King am wa.
Man munuma
King ñu la ñaan. King ñu la ñaan de ñëwal nga join UDP ñu
yow da ngay yàq xamadi yow.
No, I'm King. Yow you know you are a very conscious person. Da nga gis dëgg bi.
That is why nañ am independent minded people tamit because so mo wax ni he is neutral but all what he said, he's talking about quality of leaders here.
Yeah.
About Dabo. And then this kind of independent-minded people, we need them, even in UDP, because they have to criticize what we cannot say. They can say it respectfully. So Lumwafi, Dabo got very good credit because every single Gambian was waiting. What corruption is he going to be involved in? Can you? And he holds a responsible position.
I am still questioning Barrow until January 15 next year.
Exactly.
If he didn't have any or tangible evidence about Dabo's involvement in any corruption practices, man, Jobis, I will defend Dabo. And I will
King, trust me. There's nothing.
When I was told the fuck corrupt, wow. And I believe that guy. Mota manak Rohi dundoye jubo. Man, I have respect for Rohi. I did not hate Rohi. And I will never hate Rohi. I met Rohi's husband here in New York, and I've been knowing Rohi's husband. When I saw him, say the can ham nako. Yeah, my jelly. One thing not lim involved. It's the worst corruption. In the history of this country. One that garbage, whatever they call it, container in China. If you want to buy, let's say 100 pieces, then you could get it for $10.
$10.
In a wholesale form. If you want to buy one piece, probably 15. In China, nothing is expensive. Unless you want to make it expensive. The plane costs $150 something in Gambia, wherever they got it. Lulu is a kickback to the family. From my brother. Yo, Yanko, your contra. Lulu, conflict of interest. Lulu bounce. So, Kumai Gomlone Rohi dafa clean. Well, Yanko, yeah, fine. You why man is right.
It's very sad. It's very, very sad because we clapped for Rohi. We promoted Rohi. We thought that, okay, such things will not happen. Okay, anyway, we are waiting for the final findings. Look, commission with the work. But even me.
Why attestation?
Yeah. We have to wait for the final.
But even
money. Commission Banco line.
Yeah.
I am not deaf. And I was rightly looking at them. Pointing and questioning. I was there listening whole night.
Yeah.
Mune ko ne ndax xam nga kii mune ko xam naa ko suma lii la mune ndax yéen a ko jox contract bi mune waaw mune lu tax ñu ñun ñoo ko jox naka ngeen jëndee lii nii lañ ko jëndeele man maa ko dégg kenn waxuma man ban finding
procedures King, you are right. The procedures
waaye yéen daa dégg
su fekkee ne we want to be truthful to ourselves.
Yes.
Su fekkee ne the procedure su fekkee ne central government su ñoo def procurement def de am ju jaaj so su fekkee ne moom tamit def na loolu we have to come out and then condemn it. We don't have to support it. Definitely lii mooy dëgga but
waaw léegi Mr. Saidi man mun ngeen maa bàyyi man suma condemnation bi ma continue ko and it's okay. Yéen tamit mun ngeen a xaar ba commission bi ñëw with the findings and all that.
Exactly.
You understand? Yeah. Why, but money, thank you. And then Youngster Dabo too. We will praise him here. Because outright, this now
Yeah.
Sacha, you cannot be a thief and at the same time neka a leader.
There. Yeah.
I job is I have attacked the Yanks many times.
Yeah.
I even call him out at the tribalist person.
Yeah.
Anger and all of that. You know why? Because I want to know him. Why somebody may be this mom dega mom tamit mu buga leadership in Gambia man ma joko.
Yeah.
Man I don't man nobody.
Yeah. No,
Man, I don't care who you are.
independent people like
You understand?
Mhm.
Man, I'm there with a clean person. You have to be clean. Let's also ñun tamit ñi jël the responsibility pour ñu jéema at least copy from our neighbors who are just very ñu ngi ñëw come up with a very great ideas, right? Why did the likes of Touré, the Mali guy, Doumbouya, and but come on, bro. Holal Senegal, holal Sonko, man. Holal pro, lu mu nekk di liggéey.
Yeah, Jomaay.
Why holal Gambia lu ñu nekk di def. Every day sàcca bu rëy.
Billahi.
Est-ce que moom ñu ngi fële mbaari caga yaa ngi fa. Xam nga suñ foreign service bi the same thing mi ngi tilim.
The same thing.
Why ñun yàlla lañ xam nga you think yàlla we pray. What are you guys praying? Lan yoon loo leen di ñaan yàlla mu nangu yàlla du nangu yàlla nekkul Gambia right now. Because they got ñaan amul Mr. Seydi xam nga la na am.
Yeah.
You gotta be honest. You gotta be truthful.
Truthful. Yeah.
That is the right prayers there.
Yeah.
Let them talk, but then you make sure you
Stand by yourself. Yeah.
Dama jëli.
Yeah.
Bu la kenn jël di la jugal ci yana nonsense yi. You understand? Ci leader bu mun a ne. Yow naka nga mun a toogee nekk leader. Sa family wóor la aduna bi yëpp wóor la. Ñi jël la di la brand as a corrupt person.
That's
Barrow is not only corrupt, Barrow daf human sacrifice. Daf ko bañ. Man loolu is cool. Ñana rey police.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the main
Malmo def dey laaj
our own brother Bojang. He is under a very critical condition right now.
Thank you, bro. Billahi.
How long they've been torturing him?
Billahi.
Please, that guy will just wake up from one morning and aiming to just go and kill some cops and stuff, though. I don't think that makes sense to me, though.
Definitely.
What profit, what benefit does that Bojang must have had? Pour moy muna dem di jello di len di rey. Waye Gambian ba ngi tok.
Jobis. Gis nga Fettel. If target nu dey move, it have to be a very professional person ku dey shoot target mu laal ko target be the move.
Thank you.
He doesn't own any gun and there is no record ne ki musona jenda gun. Ibrahima Ji Sankare gena fen mune koku
rebel goro la biram bobu nonu melni ku bir.
Billahi.
Man sonna Sankare dafa bir de.
No, this is a disgrace. The Barrow, I think Barrow should sack all these people because these gallant police officers that they kill, they are innocent. They are working for the country. Who killed the cops? And they are telling that Ousainou Boja, an innocent person, say them begin mune. Ñun ñu ngi talk. Bu li affaire bi génné ci social media Ousainou Boja fekka Ousainou Boja mu ngi talk ñom ñoko won sax. Koku xamut lolu. No. I'm telling you.
Barrow cannot sack a minister because Barrow did not employ a minister. Barrow never employed a single minister.
Yeah.
Minister government within themselves, they sit down with the advisors and select among themselves the person that fits their cabal. That's how they employ them.
We will do the
Adama Barrow then could inform Nako, we have this guy and then he should be okay. Alaji Cisse, Gor Omar Faye, Yamadega, Fatoumata Babaro, whatever you call it, doctor, whatever. The guy
Tangara.
Dr. Wasar.
Tangara right now, I really don't have much to talk about until the commission come off again because he's out.
Yeah,
he's out thinking that I don't know why he's out. He was out because of the Amuda, that relationship with some of the guys, Hamantine, they were maybe installing due to some political interest. More than any Alakali guy to be against again. He wasn't a digger, I believe. Why because of the international job? That's why he's not. The job that he was doing was better. Definitely involved in a lot of corruption.
You know, I respect Tangara. I respect Tangara for one thing. Tangara has seen that under his ministry, he has no respect. Nobody respect him.
His
subordinates were coming.
Which is true though.
His subordinates were coming attacking that honorable office, putting that office so low. Some of our ambassadors were at their embassies just to be there.
Mr. Sedi.
Nam.
The family subway be dropped now. In
Drop
the government of Yaya Barrow.
Yeah.
If you're not in good time with the first lady, you will pack and leave next morning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't know what Tangara must have done to her, or maybe they have just clashed for some reason. First lady, moi ko xamanteni bula laygu da nga am pour dem. Bula layge dañ la jël elek.
Yeah.
Ya ma jël.
Yeah.
Security ami do len biñ mus di nek Gambia. Ay ponkali malien sénégalais bu nek 3 meters nga dé gis ci ginaaw. Mom mo xam lu tax mu dé def yoy len. Suñ dé tukki ñoñu lañ dé andal. Because ñi amna lu ñoo noba. They are hiding.
Yeah. Obviously.
Every ministry house bogus in the Gambia is its own body, its own everything. Nobody on the is there to talk about anything against them or against that particular leader or minister. To leave more for from health to there are many houses that would have been changed, that would have been kicked, but then they refuse because of something. The relationship. The reason why I get some at the is because of Jara. They believe in Barrow this time that I win 72% of the votes and stuff like that. So let's leave that somebody there. The likes of Suku Singati, body bullying in the Sabali, the same thing. Yeah, gaming, mom system. Fuck need mom's fofuno training. So my sister be fairly banned.
Suku na affaire ambi ñun ñoko report Senegal because Suku is one of those people you did them Senegal the easy voters. Senegal, they are having a very serious government.
Suku mom transporter la.
La Suku, lola def Yaya Jammeh. So Barrow, hamga Suku luta mu dem NPP. Suku was a very close person to Lawyer Darboe. Baramo
not really. Not really.
Luta mu dem because Suku bu mu joge APRC UDP la ñoon. So luta mu dem. Suku was having issues with AMRC. Then wara nangu keram yi.
Yeah, that's true.
No, I'm telling you. Because they twist Suku's hand and put it on his back. You have to join or we victimize you.
So, Mr. Say this, and you watch this land issue. The family nyom Barrow binyewe because of Barrow was doing this local market. Land selling and all of that. They used to camp around my shopkeeper area. I know a lot of old dads, including Barrow. That was Yolo ne concern ligay. When you been into government, Ahmad Ba Barrow, they were just attacking our reserve lands.
Yeah.
Nyom forest neka fufu safu neka nyinge attempt to hit ko. Where Jammeh left, Jammeh did not touch them. But why Nyom call Jammeh resources as an individual own? Jammeh's resources belongs to the Gambians. That is why I give the likes of Gala, and I cannot end this program without saluting them. Because me, I don't bigger lane, so to Mr. Jallow, a group and be back. These are people that we should praise, we should support, and let us not sideline ourselves, ourselves because of this pressure group. This is for a Gambia, not for any political party. Gala is just real Gambia against looted assets. That is clear there.
Ministers even they're supposed to join Gala. They're supposed to join Gala, put their money in Gala to sponsor this group to be there, because as long as they refuse to acknowledge anti-corruption commission, let Gala be the anti-corruption.
Gala, I believe international community with Nalen support.
No, honestly,
because they're following them. They everything that we share here, it's as fast as to read, and they know we write English, we don't write French.
Yeah.
So the sponsors and our allies of the West, well, they know in Gambia there's problem though. How many times that Donald Trump come some words to sonal against the current government there?
Billahi.
Trump will call him whatever.
Why Donald Trump invite African serious government. Ibrahim Traoré ñaan na la ñëwal suma dëkk ko bu mëna duma ñëw. Mu ñaan jomay dem way bu faté Adama Barrow lu xew
because Trump xam na ne Barrow nekkut fa. Trump American they have people that are very scientifically high.
They
could tell when someone is not right. The reason why I even posted something, I don't know if you follow me or not. I posted something that I was trying to describe how I know Barrow behavior, because one of my friends is a doctor here.
Yeah.
So I was telling him about Barrow. Munima give me how he behaves. Manakone dafa indecisive. Daf de nelaw a lot. He eat big. And su nelawé do daf de nahari daf de easily fatte. You sit with him, you don't expect ne mom lolu mu nako fatale ko in the next 40 minutes. De badama Barrow daf
tamit su dee wax def de agitate.
Yeah, daf de be pare.
Yeah.
So fa jege ñe sa da nga dem sangu because dafa put la regle wut. Mr. Seydi regle why Mr. Seydi nga la yow. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dina content trop pour follow la.
Thank you.
Bul nangu nak sa waji bolé la ak Fatou Camara.
No.
Bandi la. Fatou jigéenam la. Mané sa nit ki dang ko dé gis Fodé Diaw la. Yeah.
E ñaa ko gis de. Mo xam nga mo
ngolemu kurung.
Wow, behind keyboard rek.
Koku mo gina nek bandi. Thank you.
Yeah, I know.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you very much, King Joby.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You've given life to the show. It was a great show, and we definitely enjoy your company. And thank you. You
King,
are
I'm back.
an experienced person, and we love such kind of people, independent-minded people, because UDP is not a perfect political party. We have our issues, we have mistakes, we have people there who did mistakes. Even though if we see that, okay, they have done something wrong, if we cannot speak it openly, we have to invite the open-minded people to speak, because this is all, and it's all about Gambia.
King,
we see that you are an independent person, perhaps PDOIS, you can send in and join. This is an open platform. We tolerate everything. It's only that we don't tolerate insults. You can say whatever you said. We know that it is going to be your own responsibility. So you are welcome. If you think that, okay, UDP is not the solution or somebody else is the solution, you are kindly welcome. We are brothers. At the end, what we see is the Gambia for everyone. So we are not here to argue or to fight. What King Joby said about Lord Mayor Rohey Malick Lowe, he spoke his mind, and we have said to him, okay, we are waiting until the commission findings finish. The way the procedures are done in procurement, we have seen something that is wrong. We cannot say that Rohey has a personal interest in it. That one, we cannot speak about that. But if something is wrong, wrong is wrong. We are trying to talk to Gambians to tell them UDP is a party of everybody. UDP is a party of transparency and accountability. UDP is a no-go area for corruption. So when somebody among us is saying that, okay, somebody is kind of corrupt in your political party, yes, it is hard to hear, but we have to leave the independent-minded people as well to speak their mind, as long as they don't insult. Yes. So Nicola Bass, you can join in. You can definitely send in requests. We will allow you to join and then say what you want to say and why you think that UDP and NPP is the same. This is a very unfair statement, Nicola Bass. This is a very unfair statement. UDP is not NPP. UDP government was never in that country. UDP has 3 state ministers. Only 3 state ministers. And among these ministers, nobody was found guilty of being corrupt. None of them. So we have to be, we have to be straightforward people. And I believe you are a God-fearing person. So that's it. Yeah, Nkana. Okay. Sister,
yeah, orang yang boleh kontrol, yes.
Yeah. Program
yeah. Problem.
Thank you very much for your coming. And King Joby's fanamba, Tankla Bake is a brother.
No, King he's
yeah. Come and then he atele experience until Betty on this social media and then
struggle on kata je bakale
still I nanang as his younger brother, I am guide. And then we will let him speak whatever he wants to speak, because as long as Abuka Morning King Joby is a real patriotic. He loves the country. And okay, Nicola Bass, I understand you are driving, but it's not a problem. Maybe next time, please do join.
Go, Musa. And I will see that I'm driving. More driving. Ni mosifal be ni meli ni mosifal le hali ila musoli ebule ka kala UDP la. So
I will tell him he's a brother.
You know,
One change in that country. I feel Nicola Basfanang, he will have a feeling that is Gambia, the way Gambia is going, he would like a change. So the only thing is, who is closer to give change? It's UDP. Nicola Bas, come and have discussion. Discuss with UDP. Bring your doubts. Let us clear your doubts for you. Even if it what us call executive for connect whatever is your doubt, you can speak it. You don't trust UDP to become a government. Because UDP, but look at these charismatic leaders. The lives of Hussein Dabo.
These people there.
UDP you can count. Take an example of the council. Now, Yakuba Dabo, over how many hundreds of people he paid for scholarship? Okay, Nicola Bass sent a request. Taliban Suda, how many scholarship did he give? Talib gave here 20 million to youth entrepreneurs. Those youth entrepreneurs now they are even employing other youths. You know. So sister, Nicola Bass loves to join Lalenak. He's at Kane. I join. Then he can also come and then speak. We know maybe some of the people in UDP might not like his comment, but he's an independent person.
Oh, no, I'm not UDP more than it's all good. You know, comment.
Nicola Bass,
he's free to come and criticize UDP. That's normal, you know. Yeah.
My good friend also, Babgar Bahum, if you are watching, send him requests.
No, platforms here.
No, but it's not more of it. No more, but I advise and guy go Nendi road today. Ila politico. Kana aluneng. Yalong ala atefala ala dad banta nga program okaja nga dad la sango kondong. Duatae, nkai ko kana and wande alfalne. You see, last time Wali Ginioko ya offendle ya Bama mimbanta ya saki. You spoke something bad about Wali. You see, few days it fanana alpha banda, but Wali never Wali tetela alpha sakila. Wali be dualela alpha. You see, so
iko hani jao ibuka saya dua ibuka saya mbele kuna no
ibuka saya dua
mbele kuna menta baila kan
no
barang ye boleh dah kontela mulai badunga musa. Thank you very much.
No, all back.
Era baru time, you know.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sister. Nicola, I want definitely Puriya join Nunak. I'm trying. Telephone is trying to add you. Male be muntolto. Where are you? Koriman trakiang. Lavi sama teolia. Febe jara le balam kote olia. Be add candidate. Ni arne be jara le vesela yiro le sando. Puriya suti asam filo. Well, I decline. Okay, Nicola Bass, I think maybe we will make it another time. So, ngal tentungal jay. Congratulations, Chairman Yankuba Dabo, ala motobal futatana motobal mili alonko. They're going to serve the people of West Coast. Yankuba Dabo, Benila Council, mbal tentula back at the good job that Albe Minkeka. So, Gambian call. Wala na party leader fale ako. Na lafta UDP mansa kundala kolulonna ali na local government olu jube what they are doing. This our local government, they are not local government minuli alonko ni UDP campaign kanai kela kodo dunije. No, they are serving the people. Kodo ni ka murundi wo molle kan albebe commission olu jube kan munana sa geology yewo over 33 million o mindinu sirfo sonkala munana geology madi Yankuba Dabo I mantra ka di Yankubala I balanta ka subvention ojo Yankubaya I balanta ka jo talibia I balanta ka jo landia I balanta ka jo rohia. So geology felendi kote ke mansona ka kodo di nyila anu hansa geology ibela doko ke bar central government malaf nyinule doko ke bar nyinul ba kataka alkal namun dingolu minul jo they are doing their best for you. This is what UDP is all about. So ala baraka bagi ngal tentu ngal jay diaspora viva Lamin Jai. This is UDP. Don't lie, don't steal. Thank you very much, Mustafa Suso. Don't lie, don't steal is the new slogan for all UDP people. Mu slogan odimbe yankuba tentula la nyin slogan kendo mi fana asambana mba tentula bake. So mobe sita ye West Coast jube yankuba dabo the taxpayers ayalla bagaso murundi nalkanne. Ayamurundi nalkanne. No, Nicola Bass, for here, anytime you see me, you want to join, you are more than the word welcome. You are a brother, Alonko, you have a concern in the country, and together we can salvage that country. Thank you so much. Allah Barak.